Welcome to this tutorial on tips for ETRADE retirement accounts, a comprehensive guide to help you navigate the world of retirement planning. First, let's start with the basics. ETRADE is a popular online brokerage firm that offers a range of retirement accounts, including traditional and Roth IRAs, as well as 401k and other employer-sponsored plans. To get started, you'll need to open an account on the ETRADE website. This process is straightforward and can be completed in a few minutes. You'll need to provide some basic information, such as your name, address, and social security number. Once your account is open, you can start funding it. ETRADE allows you to make contributions online, by phone, or by mail. You can also set up automatic transfers from your paycheck or bank account to make saving easier. Now, let's talk about investment options. ETRADE offers a wide range of investments, including stocks, bonds, ETFs, and mutual funds. When choosing investments for your retirement account, it's essential to consider your risk tolerance and time horizon. For example, if you're young and have a long time until retirement, you may want to consider more aggressive investments, such as stocks. On the other hand, if you're closer to retirement, you may want to consider more conservative investments, such as bonds. Another important tip is to take advantage of tax-advantaged accounts. ETRADE offers both traditional and Roth IRAs, which offer tax benefits that can help your retirement savings grow faster. For instance, contributions to a traditional IRA may be tax-deductible, while withdrawals from a Roth IRA are tax-free. It's essential to understand the tax implications of each type of account to make informed decisions. Finally, let's talk about fees. ETRADE charges various fees, including management fees, trading fees, and maintenance fees. It's crucial to understand these fees and how they can impact your retirement savings over time. To minimize fees, consider investing in low-cost index funds or ETFs, and avoid frequent trading. You can also take advantage of ETRADE's fee-free accounts and promotions to save even more. In conclusion, ETRADE retirement accounts can be a great way to save for your golden years. By following these tips, you can make the most of your retirement savings and achieve your long-term goals. Remember to start early, invest wisely, and take advantage of tax-advantaged accounts to maximize your returns.